Hello, good morning. How y'all doing? It's Mr. Choclate, and I'm here to discuss my new single titled Kick It. So the inspiration behind Kick It was just due to the fact that, of course, I have a tremendous love and respect for women. So I was just like, why not make a song about, trying to, go about the right way of getting a young lady's number. A lot of songs in the industry kind of disrespect, not only women, but, everybody in general. Like, there's a whole lot of disrespect going on and, all that. So I just want to be the person to kind of reverse that and let people know that it's okay to love, it's okay to do all this stuff the right way, So yeah, that was literally the my whole purpose for the song. So. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here's Kick It. And if you'd like to learn more about MediaTech and what goes down here, click the link below.
I see you're in a bit of a hurry, but baby girl, I promise you I'm not gonna waste the time. See you're beautiful and fly, girl, I can't deny. And my goal is to ensure that you end up mine. Look, I'm not one of these guys that's gonna come in your life, slide in your pants, then afterwards not treat you right. I'ma make sure I embrace you, always make sure to impress you. Lift your face up when I kiss you and love you like I just met you, shawty. I'm not gonna lie, you one of a kind, and it would really rock my world if I made your mind. So I'ma pull out my phone, you give me your number, and let's go out sometime tonight. Cause I just wanna kick it, I wanna get to know you. I just need a couple hours, girl, I need your attention. I just wanna kick it, I wanna get to know you. I just need a couple hours, girl, I need your attention. I just wanna kick it, I wanna get to know you. I just need a couple hours, girl, I need your attention. I just wanna kick it, I wanna get to know you. I just need a couple hours, girl, I need your attention. See, now that I have your attention, you finna ask me all the things that I could do for you. But hold up, little mama, one step at a time. You need to get to know me before I go all out. Now, of course, I don't mind treating you like my queen, as long as you look after me like I'm your king. With a little bit of time, we gon' build together. Make sure everything is right so that it lasts forever. And I'ma always make you smile, you can count on that. And even always make you laugh, cause I swear on that. So I'ma pull out my phone, you give me your number, and let's go out sometime tonight. Cause I just wanna kick it, I wanna get to know you. I just need a couple hours, girl, I need your attention. I just wanna kick it, I wanna get to know you. I just need a couple hours, girl, I need your attention. I just wanna kick it, I wanna get to know you. I just need a couple hours, girl, I need your attention. I just wanna kick it, I wanna get to know you. I just need a couple hours, girl, I need your attention.
It's your boy, Mr. Choclate. Making a motherfucking mix, man.